Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best time to draw on a Fundbox line of credit. From my own experience running a small business, I've learned that a Fundbox line of credit is an amazing tool, but you have to use it smartly. It's not free money. It's a short-term financial bridge. The key is to maximize the benefit while minimizing the cost because, remember, you start paying weekly fees the moment you draw the money. So, when is the best time to hit that draw funds button? I've found there are three primary high-value scenarios. 1. Bridging specific cash flow gaps. This is the most common and effective use. The best time to draw is when you have a definite short-term cash flow gap. Think of it as a waiting period. For example, I had a large, paying client with 60-day invoice terms. I needed to cover a significant payroll or buy inventory right now. But I knew the client's payment was absolutely coming in 30 to 45 days. I drew on Fundbox to cover that immediate expense. I then used the client's payment to pay the Fundbox draw back quickly. Because Fundbox gives you clear weekly fees, pay it back faster means you save on those future fees. This is the perfect sweet spot. You know exactly when your cash injection will happen, so you keep your repayment term short and your costs low. 2. Seizing immediate high ROI opportunities. The second best time is when an opportunity arises that will generate a profit greater than the cost of the Fundbox draw. For me, this was a bulk purchase discount on essential inventory. My supplier offered 20% off if I paid immediately. The total weekly fees on a Fundbox draw were much less than the 20% I would save. In this situation, I drew the funds, secured a huge discount, and then repaid the line of credit as my new inventory sold. The transaction resulted in a net positive return, making the Fundbox a strategic investment, not just a desperate measure. 3. As a true emergency safety net. The final best time is when you have a genuine, unexpected emergency. An essential piece of equipment breaks, or you have an urgent, unanticipated tax payment. This is when your line of credit acts as a true financial safety net. Crucially, the best time to get approved for Fundbox is when you don't need it. So it's ready for this emergency scenario. When that emergency hits, you draw the exact amount you need, cover the expense immediately, and start the process of fast repayment as soon as your general cash flow allows. In summary, always think of Fundbox as a short-term, high-impact tool. The best time to draw is when you have a clear plan to repay it, whether that plan is an incoming invoice payment, the profit from a smart purchase, or simply getting your business back on its feet after an emergency. Don't use it for general operating costs that you don't have a specific plan to cover soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.